Hello everyone, glad to have you back. In this video, we'll review the process of multiplying mixed numbers. Let's break it down step by step. First, we'll convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. To do this, multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the product to the numerator, keeping the denominator. For instance, with 2 and 3/5, we get 13 over 5. For 4 and 1/3, the conversion yields 13 over 3. Now on to the multiplication of fractions. Simply multiply straight across, the numerators together and the denominators together. For example, 13 times 13 results in 169 over 15. To simplify the fraction back to a mixed number, let's use long division. Dividing 169 by 15. We find that the quotient is 11 and the remainder is 4. Therefore, our answer is 11 and 4/15. Before we wrap up, here's a quick practice for you. Try multiplying 3 1/2 times 3 1/2, as well as 1 2/9 times 1 4/5. Pause the video and give it a shot. I'll provide the answer shortly. Welcome back. The answer for 3 1/2 times 3 1/2 is 12 1/4. For 1 2/9 times 1 4/5, it's 2 1/5. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more weekly content. For additional practice, check out the Khan Academy exercises linked in the description. Remember, please be kind to yourself and others, and I hope you have a fantastic day.